cool. Okay, hi, if you're new here, I don't always look this bad. I mean, sometimes I look worse. I'm home on a Friday because I have no classes on a Friday and I have like a 15-minute meeting and I refuse to go to school just for 15 minutes. Drama festival tonight. In the Performing Arts Society, we have dance, modeling, drama, poetry, choir. And poetry, for the poem, they want to have a pregnancy belly on the person. So I'm going to make one today. Yay! I think actually it's cloth. Okay, so like you have a circle. I'm gonna cut it into triangles to make it 3D. If you know what I mean. And then when I get around, it'll be like this, right? And then to close it, I'll need another circle of cloth to close it on this side, and then lastly straps to tie it around the person and stuffing. Hopefully it works out. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Honestly, I was gonna just make like a casing and a bunch of paper and just stuff it, and I was like, you know what, the play is 3 nights. First of all, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I need it to like last. Okay, so step 1, get the cloth. Step 2, make the belly. Step 3, celebrate. Woo! Hey! A huge circle. I don't know. Okay, so that's 2 circles. Oh, it has to split here. Now this circle has to be much smaller because it's just what's going here. At this rate, my pregnancy belly is. Okay, I'm just gonna fold this in half again and cut a smaller circle out of it. Okay, I feel like I'm wasting cloth, but I took off the outer circle, so now I have a tiny circle. Oh my goodness, it's still so big. I'll leave it as space for seam allowance. This is the perfect example of what I'm trying to achieve. Triangles to make a 3D dome. That's what I've been looking for this entire video. So I'm just gonna do that same exact thing on this material. I'm gonna go downstairs my sewing machine and see what happens, because at this point I have no idea what's going on. My method worked. I did stitches like this and we have a dome basically. It just needs a lot of reshaping. Poke out the belly button. Oh my gosh, there's a belly button. But the belly button is like right inside. I have to attach it to this part and then stuff it. Let me show you what I did. So I had like this, right? The first thing I marked the center of the circle. I just stitched a line here, stitch another line there on the wrong side. Then I folded it again so that these stitches would be in the middle like this already. And then I stitched a line here and I did there, and I did it like, do that 3 times, and I got my friend over here. This guy looks so clean. Yo, these lines, you see, so it comes out in a triangle shape. Yeah, I do not do I don't do none of this stuff, and I figured it out. Since this is my clean right side, I have to turn it to the right side of this one and then stitch around, leave a gap for it to be stuffed, turn it inside out. Ooh. Okay, right now it's inside out. This is the size of the hole I left. I'm just gonna carefully push everything through that hole. This video is so cringy, I'm so sorry. Aliyah really did this. This, my people, is why you should do extracurricular activities in school. You're given challenges and then you learn that you have skills. Sister, you got skills. Mommy, know what I didn't do? I didn't sew any straps while I was doing this. So now it ain't gonna go clean. It's gonna have to like stitch onto the back and gonna look so ew. I got stuffing! This is the stuffing that I have. How long did it take me to make this entire thing? Just about an hour.
Whoop, whoopie dee scoop, whoop poop, poop dee dee whoop scoop, poop, poop, scoop dee dee whoop, whoop dee dee scoop, whoop dee dee scoop.
That rose bush has thorns on it.
Poop, whoopie dee scoop, scoop dee dee whoop.
Wow, she pregnant. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm not sure who's gonna actually follow this DIY and actually do it, but I got my pregnancy belly and I'm gonna go get ready. I'm gonna put in a little vlog of tonight. Your girl isn't all black. Black socks, black everything. Oh, I didn't explain why I'm wearing all black. I'm wearing all black because I'm gonna be backstage, and like when the lights are on the stage, you don't want to see anybody moving behind. So if I'm in black, I'm in the shadows creeping, you won't see me. Cool.
What do you have?
Liyah, where's the rest of your pants? Where's the rest of your clothes?